Recording now. Okay, now model number 5, dear students. Today we have to discuss find the total amount of tariff deposited to electricity authority from Nirmala's house for 201 units consumed in a month. So which rate will you apply? Can you write in chat box? 201 units consumption. Previous reading and current reading, that is already discussed. Sometimes we may have given the direct units to calculate. So 201 unit is the total consumption of her house per month. Minimum charge is 75. Is it 75? Can you tell me the result, dear students? What is the minimum charge? Do you know what is the minimum charge? No response. What is the minimum charge?
Sir, the amount of money which we need to pay, even if we aren't consuming any electricity.
My question is for 201 unit, what is the minimum charge? If the total consumption is 201 unit, then what is the minimum charge? My question is that.
So it's 120.
Rupees 125.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So while copying that, okay. So the minimum charge is 125. Let's discuss this question now. Total consumption is 201 unit. There is no problem for this. Up to 20 units, RS3, 3 6 the 20, or up to 20 units, and then 20 to 30 units is 10 units, 10. So this is 70, 10 into 7. Now our 31 to 50 units, 8 rupees 50 paisa times 20. Oh, 20 units, yeah. This difference is 20 units times 850 is 170. It is recurring now. And the third is 51 to 150 units. What is the gap, or this gap is 100 unit. So for 100 units, 10 times 100 is 1000 rupees. Or more than 150 units, you have to find 201 times minus 150 units is 51 units. So for 51 units, charge per unit is 11. So charge for 51 units, 51 into 11, 561. And total charges to be paid is minimum cost 125 plus 60, 70, 170, 1000 and 561. Total is 1986 rupees. I think it is clear for all the students. Can you write in chat box? Can you respond in chat box, please? If it is clear, you can write yes. Otherwise, no, sir. And I will shift to the next. All the problems are recurring now, means pattern is recurring. So I will move to the next part, dear students. Can you take a screenshot for this? Make it 125. Have you taken a screenshot? Please
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
No,
Now,
sir.
now we have to discuss what is the minimum charge for this. If amount is 355, what is the minimum charge? Can you tell me the minimum charge for 335 units? Can you check the previous slide? What is the minimum charge for 355 units? 150 rupees. Okay, thank you. Now we can go through it. Find the total amount if the unit is 155 units. Yeah, let me take. Yes, 155 or 155 units we need to find. Minimum charge is 150 and others rate are given. Let's discuss now. Total consume 355 for 20, for first 20 60, that is repetition. And here we have to consider he pays the charge in the fifth day of meter reading. That is our focus. Okay, unit and discount within fifth day. How much discount will he get? That we need to find it. Now for next 10 units it is 70 rupees. For next 20 units it is 170 rupees. All these are, yes, repeated. Now for the next 100 units is 1000, it is also repeated in. And more than 150 to 250 it is 100, again 1100. It's a green, so not written. And now 251 to 400 units. What is the remaining units? What is the total consumption? 250. More than 250 is 355 minus 250. It is 105. The rate for more than 250 units is 12. So 12 times 15 is 1260. Till now any problem?
No, sir.
And now total charge 150 is minimum cost, 60 up to 20 units. Next 37 rupees, next 20 by 8 rupees 50, next 100 by 10 rupees, next 100 by 11 rupees, and remaining by 12. So the total charge is 3810 rupees. But he has paid Nirmad. Okay, Nirmad, I will show. Again, I will show. If you have questions, please let me know. I will go back. Okay. Firstly, dear students, total consume is 355. For first 20 units, 60. I think it is clear. And for the next 10 units, according to the rate, 7 into 10 is 70. And again for 31 unit to 50, that different is for 20 units here. 20 times 850 is 170 rupees. It is repetition. And next part, for 51 to 150 unit, the range is 100, the rate is 10, so it is 1000 rupees. For 151 to 250 it is 100 gap, the rate is 11, it is 1100 rupees. And for more than 250 units, because the total consumption is 155, so 355, so 355 minus 250 is 105 units. It is more than 250, so the rate for the rest 250 to 400 is 12 rupees. 12 times 105 is 1260. Nirmad, it is clear now? Nirmad Ranvat, can you respond? Okay, thank you. Now total price you can add all. It is 3810. Now he has paid within 5 days, means within 7 days they will get 2% discount. This is the latest information. It was 3 in book, but it is 3 now, 2% now, dear students. So do it accordingly. Discount amount is 2% of total charges of the bill. 3810. 2% of this is 76 rupees 20 paisa, and the total amount to be paid is total bill amount minus discount amount. This is this. Please copy or take a screenshot, dear students. After completion, let me know. I will go to the next question. I think nobody responds. Okay, can we move to the next? Okay, now thank you. Can you find for this, dear students? Minimum charge is 125 rupees. 125 rupees. Minimum charge is 125 rupees. Oh, 150? 150 rupees, yeah? 150 rupees. Can you solve now, dear students? Shufal, you left. Okay, there is no any changes. Just you can use discount. Fifth day of meter reading. So use 2% discount rate. Okay. Yes, now. Please calculate, dear students. I will show you shortcut method, dear students. Shortcut method, okay. Total bill. Total bill equal to minimum charge plus for first 20 units time 3, for the next 10 units times 7, plus for the next 20 units time 8.5, plus next it is 20, 30, 50, and for next 100 that is 10, plus next 100 that is 11, plus for the remaining how many left? What is the total? 400 units. 400 units minus till now 250 gone. 150 left.
150.
Yes, 150 unit times what is the rate for last? 12. Yes. So now directly you can calculate. This is the rate. You can use short way also. For this is minimum charge. For first 20 units, the rate is 3, and for the next 10 units 7, for the next 20 units 8.5, for next 100 units 10, for next 100 units 11, and for the remaining out of 400 units such type of questions the rate 4. What is the product? What is the total result, dear students? Total amount, this is total bill amount. Who can give the answer? Who can give the answer? What is the total bill amount? Nobody responds. Not calculated. Sanskriti, Vidhan, Sufal, how much? 4,350. The product is 4,350. Yes. Now the discount amount equal to 2% of bill, equal to 2 by 100 times 4,350. This 00 card, what is the product? This is 87. 87. Therefore the amount to be paid equal to 4350 minus 87. It is RS 4263. 4263. This is shortcut method, dear students. Yes, after getting the total procedure, after getting the total procedure, you will be, you can solve by this way. This is shortcut method. If you don't know, first day we have discussed very slowly. Now about including discount also, we have discussed here. So this is very shortcut and easy way. But if you don't know this method, you can do stepwise for first this unit. But if it is in short question, if we ask this question in 2 marks questions, better to use this way because it will not consume more time. Okay, are you clear, dear students? Response?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
more than 400 units. Fine, let me check the minimum. What is the minimum cost, dear students? Here this stage. Okay, dear students, here the total consumption of Bidan house 410 units. Total consumption is this. Show solution. Total bill amount. How can we find total bill amount? Minimum charge 175 plus for first 20 units at the rate 3 plus next 10 unit at the rate 7 plus next 20 units at the rate 8 rupees 50 paisa plus next 100 unit at the rate 10 at the rate 10 next 100 unit at the rate 11 plus next 150 up to 400 at the rate, what's the rate for this? 250 to 400 is rate is 12 plus for the remaining last how many left? 10, and last for 10 units at the rate 13. Now tell me the total value, total amount. What is the total result? Let me know the total result. Okay, what is the total result? What is the total result?
4505.
4500.
Sir, 4,505.
and 5, and charge on the 25th day of meter reading. And what is the condition for this? Folks here, he will get discount or he need to pay fine.
So 5% fine.
That's good. Fine equal to 5% of bill amount, equal to 5 by 100 times 4505. What is the fine amount? Kostub, thank you. What is the fine amount?
225.25.
225.25. Total
Yes, sir.
amount to be paid equal 4505 plus, we have to add fine, okay? 225.25 equal to RS 4730.25. Yes, Bidan should pay 4,730 rupees under this condition. Okay, under this condition he need to pay 4,730 rupees to the electricity authority office. Can you respond about long method and short method, dear students? Can you respond in chat box? Which method you prefer? Which one is easier? Everybody please respond. Everybody please.
All together one.
Chat box, chat box, chat box. Everybody in chat box. Short method or long method? Your prefer. Yes, short. Short. Nikki Chantel short. Pritan. Please, everyone response on it. Long more. I guess, yes. Manyata long method. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Both method I have discussed in your class, because from the long way stepwise you will get, it is better to understand stepwise. After completing the long method, then in a short way also you can jump. In your examination, you can use anyone. Both are acceptable. Okay, lastly, I think the solution I did already. Yes, 4730, we got the same result. Now, dear students, okay, this is the last question. Before that, let me take a screenshot. Minimum charge we have to. What is the minimum charge? It is 175. Sanskriti.
Yes, sir. 175.
Yeah. Now, dear students, it's almost time is over. 1 2 minutes left, but I will give heavy discount in this exercise also to motivate my dear student, because almost all the questions I have covered. So for this exercise, let me check. It's about expenses of yes, electricity. Please take the question. Are you ready? Do you have book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very short questions all for note. Okay. Exercise 4.1, all very short question. One is this, and question number 1, 2 5 9 only. And that homework that I have given.
Sir, can you
Please take a
show that
screenshot,
slide before
okay?
you told to screenshot? The previous
This
one.
one
You
or
told to
previous?
screenshot that previous one.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Have you taken this? Okay. Are you clear about the exercise? I have
Sir,
discounted many
Okay, sir.
questions.
sir,
FB
exercise question
discount
we
in this
should
part.
do from
What?
shortcut method or long method.
That is your
Okay.
choice. Your choice. Use shortcut, no worry. Because you know the method only. Okay. And
Sir,
Shubhal,
no, sir.
is
That
this
previous one you told
which
that
slide?
previous one to screenshot one question. That one I mean, sir.
Okay.